Hello guys, good morning. I hope you're doing well and staying safe with your family and loved ones. Today I'm going to show you a cheap wood stove. Whenever you search something about the small FireBox, the famous one coming into internet, the price is about, I checked it actually yesterday, $55 US. But I purchased this one about 3 years ago, I think about $8 US, and it works pretty good, and it has a quite multifunction, multi-fuel, so you can use it for different things. So I want to show you if this $8 wood stove is actually worth to buy. So first of all, I'm going to assemble it. It comes in a nice bag. It's not very fancy one, but it's good to keep it. So this part is actually the top. This section with the more curve is the bottom part. Okay, there is section in the bottom which have three sides has a pin to go in, and one side with nothing. The one with nothing actually have to stay in front of this section which you feed in wood. The other three going in to keep all three other side together. Yep. It's done. It's ready. Oh, come on. I think you saw it in my other videos. This fellow is, I don't know why, but making too much noise every time we are here. This is not the same one. I think in Thailand it's quite typical to have this fellow here. Even near our house, we have the same one. In middle of the night, they start to make no same loud noise, which you cannot actually sleep, and it wakes you up. Anyway, this is the stove. There is one good thing about this. When it came with these ones, which you can put it like this. If you have a small pot which going inside, can go inside, or if you have a kettle or something, you can just put it in top of that. I tried it actually, and I think in about 8 to 9 minutes, it can boil at least 3 cup or 4 cup of water inside this kettle. It's good. There is another advantage for this one, which if I use the internal part, this one, bring it a little bit higher to connect to here, I can put my alcohol stove in top of that. You can put your alcohol stove inside that, and then you can put your kettle. If you think the height is not enough, you can bring this part up. I'll show it to you how. Okay, so instead of keeping in the bottom, you bring it a little bit higher, and then you can put your alcohol stove here. You can see the height of your fire coming a little bit high up, and then you can boil your water, make your food or whatever else it is inside this with no problem. So in the area, actually, if you are not allowed to have a fire for burning food, you can use the same thing, same box inside your pack. First of all, it also helps to avoid the wind to turn off your fire in the alcohol stove. The second thing, it's very nice actually. It's save your fuel consumption a little bit, and it keeps the wind away, which is good as well. So you can just cut the wood for the height you need based on here. Any piece of wood. This is my suggestion. Then you chop it. You can use the buttoning method. Then you can just put these things here. You let the fire start. From this corner, from this side, you can put your maybe the wax cotton ball or any fire starter putting inside. You fill the wood, and normally actually 1 or 2 of this size piece of wood is enough for boiling water, for cooking a very small meal, to heat up your food and whatever. And after that you can just easily dump your wood outside. You can dig a hole and then keep the fire away from the nature. This thing is cost me $8. Now almost 3 years I'm using it almost continuously. You can see the color is slightly changed, but they still work as a champ. I can say this is one of my best purchase here in Thailand. I'm not sure if you can find it in eBay, or I'm sure in Aliexpress you can find it. Almost same price. I don't know about the shipping fee. I'll try to find the link in Aliexpress and put for you under this video description, so easy for you to just follow up and check what you can do. There are a few other models which they have some kind of hinge here, which this thing is open and close much easier. That one also nice. I saw my friend had it and used it, so it's very useful. And at the end, this is how fast you can just disassemble it actually and put it in the bag. And you are good to go. That's it, it's done. I hope you enjoy it. Please, if you like, don't forget to subscribe. Help us to grow with you guys and get better videos in very near future. Take care and have a good day. Bye.